Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make some vegetarian-friendly stuffed pasta shells. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe. For this recipe, we're going to need 6 ounces or a half box of jumbo pasta shells, a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, 5 ounces of grated Parmesan, 2 jars of marinara sauce, a cup of leaf spinach, 1.5 cups of mozzarella, a large egg, a quarter teaspoon each of black pepper and nutmeg, and enough salt to boil the noodles. First, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees and set a pot of boiling water over medium-high heat. To this pot, we'll add a bit of salt to help the water boil faster. While we're waiting on our water to boil, we'll go ahead and beat 1 egg. And to that, we'll add our quarter teaspoon black pepper, our quarter teaspoon nutmeg, container of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese, and half of our shredded Parmesan. Once the cheese mixture is combined, we'll go ahead and chop our spinach. Next, we're going to take our leaf spinach and try to get about a cup of roughly chopped spinach. It's okay to eyeball this. It doesn't matter if you have a little too much or just a little too little. We're going to be mixing this into our cheese mixture. Once chopped, we'll add our spinach to our cheese mixture and stir them together. Once the water starts to boil, we'll go ahead and stir in our pasta. We're going to cook this for about half the recommended cook time because our goal here is just to get it so the pasta is easy to manipulate without breaking. And in this case, that's going to be about 7 minutes. Once our pasta is about halfway cooked, we're going to remove it from the heat, drain it in a colander, and rinse it in cold water so it's cool enough to handle. We'll let this sit for about 15 minutes so that we can manipulate it with our hands. Once our pasta is cool enough to handle, we'll go ahead and spray a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. And then we'll pour about 3/4 of one of our jars of marinara sauce into the bottom and spread it evenly. Then we'll take one of our pasta shells, hold it open between our 2 fingers, and fill each one with about a tablespoon of our cheese and spinach filling. Then we'll place it seam side down in our baking dish. If you have any leftover filling, feel free to spoon it in between the pasta shells. Once the stuffed shells have been assembled, we'll go ahead and cover them with our remaining pasta sauce. Once the shells are covered, sprinkle with the remaining Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses. Once we've assembled the stuffed pasta shells, we'll put these in our oven that we've already preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and remove our stuffed pasta shells from the oven. Now that our pasta shells are finished, we can serve these with some garlic bread. Thank you for joining us today on Scratch.